How to fix error code 0x80D0000A on Windows Store. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Clearing the cache for Microsoft Store can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data files. The cache stores temporary files to speed up tasks, but sometimes, this data becomes outdated or corrupt, causing errors like 0x80D0000A. If that didn't work, some services running in the background are essential for the Microsoft Store to function correctly. In the new window, scroll down to find the Windows Update service. Under the Startup type, select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Repeat these steps with Windows Firewall service. If that didn't work, incorrect date and time settings can cause certification and syncing issues, leading to errors during transactions with Microsoft Store. Pick the Internet Time tab and select Change Settings. Make sure that Synchronize with an Internet Time Server box is ticked. Click Update Now and OK. Windows has built-in troubleshooters for diagnosing and solving common problems, including Microsoft Store issues. If all else fails, repairing or resetting Microsoft Store to its default settings can resolve persistent issues by wiping out any corrupt or problematic files. Running System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Imaging Service and Management Tool, DISM, can fix corrupted system files that might be causing the error. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.